Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.